To put passwords on apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down and here select security and privacy. Move down until we find more security settings and then there's secure folder. If you click on it for the first time, it will require you to perform setup for it. If you don't know how to do it, I've made dedicated video for this phone on how to perform first setup for secure folder. You can just type in secure folder in the search on my channel and then you can watch this video. When your secure folder is set up, just look for it on the app drawer on or in your home screen. Open it and inside we can add different apps. For example, let's add Google Drive. When Google Drive is added, we'll be able to open it through secure folder and then we can lock our secure folder right here to require a password, and that's how you can put passwords on apps. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.